is. Ingredients, okay? 3. Now, what I wanted to do is I really wanted to use the egg substitute, but y'all don't have anything. We're gonna use what's in this house. So all we have to do is put this all together and throw it into the skillet. So let's get going. Okay. Y'all, you know what? I need more efficient. Okay. Efficient in the kitchen. I'm just gonna use this smaller. Y'all don't even know how much, okay? Y'all know. We eyeballing over here. You know why I have this open? I am gonna add. Y'all, anytime I'm making something I've never made, I always think of that lady on TikTok. I need to find her name. With the lady that said, everyone's so creative. Oh, she lives rent-free in my head. That's what I did to yeah, I really didn't want to make all these dishes, okay? Y'all, I'm getting these done, okay? Finally, she's back. So this week, so I just bought the little ones, but I'm gonna put a little bit on while it's in there heated. I guess you can call this an oat omelet. I'm just gonna like, girl, what is going on? Anyways, to good health. Boom. Oh, look at all this goodness. Way to start my day, okay? Let me say this. Next time, I'm just gonna make pancakes. Since I have some more like heirloom tomatoes, however you say it, y'all, I am going to use these. I have another regular one. Also, I could have made my own. Didn't think that far ahead in advance, and I already had this. So listen, I went everywhere looking for this, okay? I had to go to 2 stores because everyone's out preparing for the holiday, and I'm like, what am I supposed to do here? Ooh, y'all, this looks so good. I don't even know how I want to start. I probably should have taken it off the pan, but it was just smelling so good. Oh, man. Gotta have a little kick. A little bit of kick. Just a little bit of kick. A little bit of kick. A little bit of kick. Open up true. All right, I'm gonna give this an 11 out of 10. Y'all listen, okay? We're about to make some wonton soup. Easy, okay? Easy wonton soup. So, what are we going to need? We are going to need y'all know I was gonna have some bok choy, okay? Don't play with me. And okay, y'all, we could have made some, but your girl, you know what? She decided she did not have a whole lot of time. Do I need to turn the, y'all need the light on? I think so. I think it's a little, the sun is like gone or something. So anyway, here it is. Into like the soup. With the bok choy, what I'm gonna do is I'm obviously gonna like cut it up, clean it. I'm gonna blanch this in our wonton soup so it's not just like sitting in there. Of course, I'm gonna cut these up. I'm gonna air fry these. This should be really easy wonton soup recipe. I'm debating if I even wanna use any because I'm not a huge fan when these are cooked, okay? Now I'll eat them like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and add this to the top. That way I don't have to cook it. I'm just gonna start with the smaller piece. I'm just gonna use this to blanch it a little bit. Oh, it's hot. See how crispy these are? This is how I like them. You can always steam them. I'm just gonna add these right on in. Okay. Y'all hear that? Like my vegetables to have a little crispy, little crunch to it. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Jay Maxine. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, definitely subscribe. Hit that post notification bell, that way you're notified every Wednesday at 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye guys.